Hey everyone, we're back with some more of the coolest gadgets that are worth buying. Links for their prices are in the description below. Let's go! This sounds like something out of a spy movie, but it's real and they work great. They're special glasses that have two functions. You can modulate the level of darkness or lightness of the glasses to your liking. And they have a Bluetooth function to listen to music since they have small speakers that sound wonderful. They're pretty cool, so check them out. Here's a typical product that sounds quite fake, but it's very real, and it works. Walabot uses cutting-edge radar technology to allow your smartphone to detect studs, pipes, electric wires, and other objects hiding inside walls. It's effective when you want to avoid drilling disasters and take your renovation projects to the next level. But sorry iPhone, this is currently only compatible with Android. This LED light system is pretty amazing, because you can use it on your television and enjoy a totally different experience when you watch a series or a movie. This is Govee DreamView. This kit combines the LED TV backlights and two smart light bars for even fuller reactive lighting. This not only moves and changes brightness in sync with the visual on screen, but also syncs with the sounds from your favorite movies or video games. Virtual reality is here to stay, and innovations are not far behind. That's why the old Oculus was reinvented to create an augmented reality viewer. The users no longer need to have ultra-advanced computers. The experience can be at your fingertips because you can literally use it without a PC or console, and you can play without worries with an easy-to-use Guardian boundary, which lets you designate play space and alerts you if you move outside it. Hasn't it happened to you that you forgot to take the food out of the freezer for dinner and now you have to wait for hours for the meat to defrost? Don't wait any longer. With this defrosting tray, it does just that. It defrosts food and you can use it on both meats and veggies that need defrosting. This tray quickly thaws chicken breasts, steak, vegetables, and more in less than half the time. Can you imagine not having to go to the dry cleaners anymore? What a time saver. The Samsung AirDresser is the new way to refresh and sanitize your wardrobe at home. Designed like a tall, thin cabinet, the garment steamer combines powerful air and steam to relax light wrinkles and refresh clothing. You ever experience neck pain? Even spending hours on the internet can bring this type of problem. Here's something that might help. With a cervical neck traction device, just put it around your neck, tighten the bleed nut, and inflate the device balloon by squeezing it until your symptoms are relieved. Compact but powerful, Theragun Mini is the most agile massage device that goes wherever you do. Cramps, knots, and tension can strike at the most inconvenient times, and when you're venturing off the beaten path, it's right there with you. The Theragun is used by physical therapists, chiropractors, and over 250 professional sports teams worldwide. Surely in your house there's a dark corner where you wish there was light. Well, here's a simple solution for you. The motion sensor wireless LED night lights turns on in the dark when motion is detected within 10 feet and turns off after 15 to 18 seconds after the person walks away. It has daylight and motion sensors, so it turns on in the dark when motion is detected and turns off during the daylight to save battery. Do you feel like you waste a lot of time using your cell phone every day? This is cool because it fits most phones and you can lock it up and charge it simultaneously. It's a time-controlled container to prevent children, adults, and students from staying up too late, helps to keep you focused, and can help with game addiction and overall bad phone habits. I know it sounds exaggerated, but it really does help you get away from technology for a while. Here's a basic but high-tech product that's really worth it. It's an intelligent faucet that reacts to voice, hands-free sensor, or the handle. It also controls water flow to give you precise measurements. You can specify water temperature by saying things like warm or 70 degrees. Voice control technology that will make your everyday life easier. A healthy home is now more important than ever. And with the new LG Air Purifier, you can create an optimal home environment for you and your family. It has powerful filters that can remove over 90% of airborne allergens and up to 99.9% of small airborne particles. Choose from 10 fan speeds plus oscillation settings to bump up the air movement. If you like leaving sticker messages on things like we do, you probably already know the problem. They keep falling off and they don't stick nearly as long as we need them to. Well, these won't fall off regardless of your surroundings and the surface. Cold, hot, or wet, these are super sticky and will stay in place through it all. It's best to apply them to a dry surface before it gets wet though, so check them out. Ever been stuck with the power out and no flashlight batteries? Here's an extra bright solar-powered LED lantern and phone charger with up to 300 lumens and 5 brightness settings. It's great for lighting the campsite, backyard, or your home during a power outage. No batteries needed here. It has a large solar panel that can provide up to 100 hours of light at full charge, and it recharges in 16 to 20 hours of direct sunlight or in 4 hours by the USB, cords included. The LED Q6 is a light bracelet that's reimagined. You can mount it by slapping it, magnetizing it, wrapping it, or throwing it. It's tough with better mechanics and water and dust resistant. With more control, you can select between 5 brightness levels with an extra low level for extreme close-ups. Brightness control is also built into the effects function, and under 45 grams, it's among the lowest profile cinematic lights in the world, so you can hide it about anywhere, even in plain sight. It provides up to 8 hours of light on a single charge, and you can charge it even when it's turned on so you never run out of light. As a fitness lover, you need a device that can give you a full body workout at home. Icaros Cloud can do just that. It's a micro gym that combines digital fitness with unprecedented training experiences to provide a unique and very effective workout in your home. All workouts improves reflexes and coordination skills at the same time and trains your different muscle groups. It combines full body training with exciting extra games, professional courses, and a motivating community. This is a great connected home fitness center that the whole family can enjoy. Have you seen Pixy, the flying camera? With a simple tap of the button, Pixy's ready to fly. The front camera captures photos and videos while the bottom camera navigates the world around you. The dial on top lets you select the flight path, hover, reveal, follow, and orbit. Get the perfect shot of you and all your friends as it can pan to whatever direction you lead it, and Pixy will find its way back, landing gently in your hand. LinkPro is the world's most portable 11-in-1 working hub station. It's a must-have portable working hub stand that helps you stay productive and ergo comfortable no matter where you are. It's cable-friendly and equipped with 11 different input and output ports to let you connect, charge, and transfer data from and into all your essential devices. Being ergonomically designed with adjustable heights, you can work comfortably so you can avoid typical back, neck, and shoulder pain and strain caused by too many hours of working. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you liked some of the coolest gadgets, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more similar videos and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. We upload videos every week, and we don't want you to miss it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.